Morning people of YouTube, hope everyone's well. Gonna cook a breakfast roll today. Gonna use some burgers instead. Eggs, jalapenos, standard. Burgers I'm gonna cook in the air fryer as well. I'm gonna get some bacon in the pan. And yeah, ciabatta roll. Okay, eggs, jalapenos, burgers. Gonna cook them for the standard 11 minutes and we're off. So, hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. It's a bit cloudy and overcast, but you know, I might be able to get out and do something a bit more adventurous. If you people don't know, I go fishing, so there might be a couple of days where I'm cooking from the bank. So I'll either use a Trangie or a Coleman Sportster stove. The Trangie comes with pans. It's like a set, you know, I can cook on that or the other, either really. Yeah, next week's looking good for the weather. It's definitely warming up. It's a nice time of year, isn't it, where everything's starting to flower. Flowers in the garden and leaves on the trees. Bacon cooking in the pan. So, I'm out of Kerry Gold as well. That's a fatality, isn't it? So I'm going to have to use some clover. I've not really used clover since, well, it's been a while. So, yeah, someone commented that when I was calling it butter, it wasn't actually butter. It was, you know, butter, milk. That's why there's loads of the videos in the beginning when I was saying about butter, milk. Because they, you know, corrected me. It's not butter, it's butter, milk. So, yeah, I'm going to have to use some butter, milk today. Proof's in the pudding, says it on there. So, hopefully you've watched my other short that I've put on today. And I see there was a couple of new subscribers subscribed. So, channel's starting to move in the right direction, isn't it? It's all positive feedback. If you want to leave us a comment, that'd be great. Come back to you straight away. Usually within the first sort of half an hour, I suppose. Yeah, let us know in the comments. Anything different that you want to see, or am I just doing it right? Maybe I need to be cooking like an American style breakfast. Well, it's probably the same, very much the same as this, isn't it? Look at that, that one's perfect. That one's getting there. Take it down for a bit. Well, them old jalapenos are strong, aren't they? Jalapenos or jalapenos or halajala. I'm just going to call them halajalapenos now. How do you like your jalapenos? Yeah. It's funny how when you look at bacon in a pan, you can see. Yeah, that's good. Well, these bacon? These burgers. There's always something in there. Burgers cooking. What's going on? But, sorry if that was a bit wild for you. But 3.5 minutes. What I might do is just flip them burgers. Get the old temperature gauge on them. See what they say. So if you've not seen temperature gauge before, it's a Inkbird. I paid by them. Bought it years ago for the barbecue. And for cooking meats, just to make sure that they're cooked. Definitely need a bit more. Bacon looks cooked. Bread's done. Just got to put that in the air fryer. I've got any cheese out. So we've got a bit of cheese. We might have to have a bit of that. Cheese today is going to be a bit of Cathedral City. If I can get into it. Along the line. Look at that. First time for me, that is. Wow. That never happens. There you go. So it just grated some cheese. Something different for you to look at. There's my grated cheese. So, air fryer says 1 minute. Burgers are still bleeding, which is always good. Eggs are like nearly cooked. And, oh, it's going on this tripod. Missed, but got it in there. So yeah, I think I want to show you on a pause for a minute and come back to you when we're a bit closer. Right. Well, unless you like me waffling. I see air fryer saying that the eggs are cooked and the burgers aren't. Burgers are reading, I don't know, 149, 151, 158. I might just flip them and max crisp them, I think. That might be a bit more interesting for you. Watching me trying to flip a couple of burgers in there. That was the easy one. Quite a lot of that in there. Oh yeah, that looks raw. They're going in, max crisp, 10 minutes. There's my beef burgers there. Look like they've been cooked within an inch of their life. But let's just try and stop that. Stop. I'm just gonna cook that a couple of minutes. See if I can do this one-handed. Temperature gauge. $167, 171. Yeah, I'd say they're maybe a little bit too much cooked. It was screaming, let me out. But I always prefer things to be cooked than not cooked, you know? It's just a preference. Let me know in the comments whether you like your burgers red, pink, mooing, rock hard. I don't know, you could use them as a hockey puck. Yeah. There you go. Cooked all the way through. So no pink at all. Just how we like it. I don't know why I've got your face in there. Give you something to look at. There you go. Right, it's about ready to go. Looking at that then. So I'll try and get that over there in one. Take that off of there. Burning my fingers. I'm gonna flip that there like that. And then what should we have on top of that? Let's have a couple of burgers, eh? Oh, it's going to be tight in here. Got some cheese to go on there, if I can get it on there. Nearly. Oh, just falling off. So I see I've got 150 views on the video yesterday. So, do you like just brown sauce? Or do you like a bit of red as well? Because if I could find it in the fridge. So, that is my breakfast, lunch and dinner today. Nothing else, need apply today. So if you liked the video, like it. If you didn't, then don't watch it again. Or if you liked it and you really liked it, maybe you can subscribe. 150 people watched it yesterday. Well, I think that it's not too much to ask, is it? So nice and toasted. I see people seem to like going, there you go. Definitely toasted, that is. And then look at it. Look at that. Burgers, bacon, jalapenos, jalapenos. All dripping out. The eggs. No butter though. Made a fatal mistake there. But I can see me visiting this again. Okay. So yeah. Leave us a comment. Let us know how you're doing, how your day's going. All the following stuff. And that's enough waffle for me. See, I'm going to go and tuck in. I'll take a couple of shots in a minute. I'm going to cut through it. And then I'll be gone. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. So the eggs and jalapenos, they ain't a lot of calories if you look them up. They're medium eggs. The jalapenos are quite low in calories. Don't know about the burgers though. This seems to be a thing. I don't know if I can get my hands around it. But there you go. Right, that's enough of this. I need to tuck into that. Get on with my day. Right, see you later everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. If you like the jalapenos, then this is for you. Get in your kitchen and give it a go. Get your missus to make it, one of the two. Or your partner or your fiance. Oh yeah. Enjoy your day, people. I'm going to go and enjoy mine. See ya.